Hey everyone, so welcome to the first day of the trip, and behind me it's Spirit of Tasmania. We're gonna jump on that ship and get out of Melbourne. This is the Port Melbourne area of Melbourne. So Melbourne's are out there, Spirit of Tasmania is there, which is gonna go towards south, and that takes us towards Tasmania. And St Kilda's there. This is the beach road. This is the famous beach road of Melbourne. The ticket was about $450, $460 somewhere, and that's a return. That's including the return. So all I'm going to do is get out of here, turn left, go straight, then go left, get onto that white bridge, and get onto the Spirit of Tasmania. There's one problem that's happening with the bike is I'm getting few wobbles. Like when I let the hand go, we'll figure it out what that wobble's about. Guessing it's something to do with the weight ratio, how the weight is distributed between the two. But yeah, like I've got everything that I'm supposed to put in that bag, all the electronics on that bag, on my backpack, right? Just because once the dock closes, once those I think it's level 1, 2, once they close, you can't go back in there. So I'm just going to carry this bag. I'm going to leave the two side bags and the duffel bag on the bike, but I'm going to carry the electronics bag, and I've got all the laptops and everything in my backpack already. If you haven't seen the prologue of this season, go watch the prologue. Explain what happens, what are we going to do in this one. Weather-wise, it's actually a really nice day today. I didn't check on Google what the weather was like today, but it's supposed to be really, really good from what I can see right now. Whoa! It's already a line. No, no, no! All the cagers. I'm just going to complain, ain't I? These people are going to hate me for doing this, but hey. Those are the docks. There's like a freights going on over there. It's a very busy port of Melbourne.
Anything flammable? Anything?
No.
Far right, yeah?
Okay, far right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh boy, he's gonna ask me to open everything and show him, isn't it? It's gonna take me a long time.
Sorry, mate.
Hey, how are you?
Just put a mark here, means you've been screened.
Okay.
Comes off easy, it's all good.
That's okay.
Just clothes, yeah?
Yeah, just clothes, tent. Nah.
No food?
Nah, just noodles, like, you know.
No apples, bananas?
Nah.
Guns, knives?
No. Can I go around them or not? Wait.
You can, but they're going to move in like a minute. Anyway.
Yeah, okay. Busy day?
Oh, yeah, very busy.
Oh, man.
Should be busy for you on the ship as well.
Yeah.
You got a mask for the ship later, yeah?
Yeah, I do. A few masks. Thank you. Alrighty, where are we going? We are following these cars, I guess. I actually haven't booked the camping spot for tonight. Thank you. Oh, wow. So she just helped me cut the whole traffic. Like, nicely done, lady. For the identification, they need your driver's license and of course the e-ticket that I got it out before. Hi there, I'm just checking if you guys have any camping spots available for tonight. What about powered site? Why is that? I do need power. Yes. I've got a motorcycle. Yeah, I've got a motorcycle, a tent, and just need to charge a couple of small devices. Yeah. Just one. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah, it's just me. I'm just getting on the Spirit of Tasmania right now, and whenever that arrives, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will. That's the plan. Yeah, will do. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough sunlight to set up the tent or not, so I'm gonna go straight from the boat to the caravan park. That's okay. Look. Oh, hello. In the meantime, while we are waiting for them to open, what's happening? So, of course, the two Behemoth bags we've got the OSHA's duffel bag that's got all the camping gear in it. All the electronics are in the audio bag as well. Got about 2 GoPros on the bike, 1 GoPro on my head that it's recording from here, you know.
The ship was an hour late.
Sorry?
The ship came in an hour late.
Oh shoot!
I wondered what you were looking at. Yeah.
No, I'm just stretching my legs because I'm like, I don't know how long that's gonna take. So, wow, it came in an hour late today.
Don't know why. They're still unloading.
They're still unloading. Okay, that's why. Thank you. This is the one that is secure, right?
Right?
So this floor is secure, right?
Yeah.
Good. Because once we go back up, there is no access.
That's right.
Yeah. So I've just got camping stuff.
Nah, it's all gets locked up here.
Alright. I'm just recording as well. So.
What are you sending them to?
YouTube.
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you.
Side stand on, steering lock off, in gear.
So I'm guessing you guys will be like